Well, Chris, just want to ask to start with, what influence did your mum have on your career?
Yeah, massive influence. I mean, she was the one that sort of gave me a massive pick-up when things were going tough. Obviously, when I got released from Chelsea, went on trial at Watford, went on trial at QPR, which is my sort of boyhood team that my family supports, and been a season ticket holder at the club for years. I think it got cut pretty short. Got told that I wasn't anywhere near the standard and there wasn't really any aspects of my game that they felt they could work with me, so obviously really hard to take. I was playing in sort of North Greenford, which was semi-pro, and there was a Brentford scout at the game watching. An opponent told me that he wanted me to go down to Brentford with the under-16s and train. I sort of went back and didn't really think anything of it because I weren't really prepared to go through all the trouble of sort of building yourself up and getting let down. I think that was the moment when my mum sort of said, look, if you're not going to do it for yourself, do it for me and your dad.
Yeah.
Because that way we know as parents we've done all we can to sort of push you and guide you in the right direction.
I remember last summer, Bournemouth came in for you, and obviously that didn't happen then, but it has happened now.
Yeah, third time round, third time lucky, I suppose, because obviously got the move that I wanted, and yeah, now I'm here sort of experiencing the Premier League and playing all these top teams. It's incredible. It's been one thing after another, which is good, but sometimes when you sort of sit back and reflect on it, it just seems like it's been crazy sort of couple of years, which it has been. I remember getting a phone call from my agent saying that you've been selected for Wales.
What was it like?
Yeah, amazing. I mean, what I was saying about a lot's happened in a quick period of time, it felt like that at that minute. I was sort of only just establishing myself in the Championship and only just about getting sort of game time, and then a month or two later I get my full senior team call up. Luckily the team was beating China 5-0. Gig sort of called me over when I was warming up and said you're all about to come on, which obviously probably one of the biggest moments in my career to date, obviously making your national team debut. Proud moment for my family, who obviously have the Welsh connections. I hadn't been used to being around such world-class players. So obviously when you first sort of walk in to meet the group, you're sort of like a bit starstruck by them. But then you need to sort of have the belief that you're here for a reason. You're not here to sort of look up to these people and think, oh, I'm sat in the same room as them. Like, you need to sort of feel like this is the level I want to be at.
You know, we've got some big games now. What do you think of the group? We got Hungary, we got Croatia, we got Azerbaijan, and we start off with that massive game against Slovakia at home, of course.
Yeah, so them sort of teams are always going to be hard. We know in the team we've got quality throughout, individually and collectively, and we've definitely got to approach that Slovakia game with only one aim, which is to win.
But more importantly to that, at this moment in time, it's Mother's Day, end of this month, mate. Where are you going to get your mum?
I haven't actually thought that far ahead yet. I'm going to have to get her something really nice. I'm definitely a mummy's boy rather than a daddy's boy.
I was as well.
So I need to get thinking actually, because that day just flew past me.
We're definitely going to cross paths a lot in the future, hopefully. But best of luck.
Thank you.
In everything.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Chris.